fireside in her little country cottage long ago. And she told us all the stories of the days when she was young, and I miss my grandma more than you could know. And there were 2 rooms and a kitchen and a fiddle on the wall in my grandma's little cottage long ago. 2 rooms and a kitchen and a fiddle on the wall, and an oil lamp in the window burning low. And my grandma always took the time, the stories she would tell, how they cut the corn and saved the hay, carried water from the well, how they dug the spuds and dried the turf and made the griddle bread. And when the prayers were said at night, they'd make up the settled bed. And there were 2 rooms and a kitchen and a fiddle on the wall in my grandma's little cottage long ago. Just 2 rooms and a kitchen and a fiddle on the wall, and an oil lamp in the window burning low. And she told us how the neighbors on the Katy would come around, and the house was full of music. Grandpa took the fiddle down, and they tell an old ghost story, and they sing another song about how life was much better in the days when she was young. 2 rooms and a kitchen and a fiddle on the wall in grandma's little cottage long ago. Just 2 rooms and a kitchen and a fiddle on the wall, and an oil lamp in the window burning low. And I think about my grandma and the love she gave to me, since first I was a baby and she nursed me on her knee. Well, she's gone but not forgotten, and someday we'll meet again. She was more than just my grandma, she was a very special friend.